this unit we're talking about relations and functions, and here we have a Cartesian coordinate plane, and I'm just going to make you aware of some of the more important things. So this horizontal axis is called the x-axis, and this is the y. The vertical is the y-axis, and the way we lay out this grid or this coordinate system is we have 0, 0 in the middle, where the first 0 is the x value and the second one is the y value. So here we have 0, 0, and as we go to the right, increase in a positive way on the x, and if we go up, we increase positively on the y-axis, and if we go down or to the left, we go in the negative direction. Okay? So, to find a point, let's take a point here. We're going to go x3, y2. So if we're talking about this point here, we would label it 3, 2, where 3 corresponds to the x-axis and 2 corresponds to the y-axis. Okay, so that's how you can find, or you can label points on a graph so we all know what you're talking about. The other thing to note is we divide, this plane is divided into 4 quadrants, and so this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, we usually use, you'll see Roman numerals used, so quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. And it's just by convention we start here and we just work our way counterclockwise around the plane for naming the quadrants. Now a relation is just a set of ordered pairs. You can look on your page there and it gives that quote. A set of ordered pairs. So this is one pair, and if we had a set of ordered pairs, let's say we had this point, and this point, where this is 2, 1, and this is 0, 0, we've already talked about. So this is our set of ordered pairs. So we could also write them out. I don't know if I have any more screen left. I'll move that down here. So you could write your set of ordered pairs like this. 0, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2. We use those brackets to show the set sometimes. And functions. A function, a set of ordered pairs can only be a function if there's no repeating x values. So in this case, we're just 3 points. The x value here is 0, 2, and 3, and so there's no repeating x value, so we're fine. If we had another one up here at 3 and 2, or sorry, 2, 3, and that was part of our set, then we would have 2 repeating x values, and so this set here is not a function. So this relation is not a relation set, I guess you could call it, or a set of ordered pairs are not a function. And another way to test that is to do the vertical line test, and that is to draw any vertical line on the plane, and if it crosses 2 x values, so here, if we draw one here, it would only cross the one x value, but if we draw a vertical line here, it would cross 2 of them. So if you can cross more than 1 point, then it's not a function.